To replace your fuel filter is recommended every 40,000 miles. Today we are working on 2013 VW Scirocco 1.4 petrol engine. And after 77,000 miles, I still got original fuel filter. VW Scirocco fuel filter is located by the rear wheel, and today we're going to show you how to replace it.
Okay guys, to release and take off fuel filter on VW Scirocco 1.4 TSI, you need to press on a fuel line connector button over here. This one is easy to spot because it's blue. The other one is black, but it's exactly the same. You press it on and you should release it with ease. Don't try to pull it and break it, because otherwise you'll have to replace the fuel lines. And the third one is here. This one had a button on the top. It's a little bit harder to get it, but once you get those two out, you can unscrew the housing, take the fuel filter out, and you'll have a bit more space to play with this one. Again, don't try to pull it and break it. It should come out fairly easy, so you have to press the button properly.
Hit that subscribe button, more useful videos coming soon. Thank you for watching, until next time.